guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some party makeup ideas for Christmas parties. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. So today's video is totally special and helpful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas party makeup. Here are a lot of ideas. For example, you can make your eyes green, red and white, some kind of Christmas tree light. That will be super amazing. Otherwise, you can add snowman sticker you can add on your cheeks. That will be super classy. But if you want to create a modest look, you can also choose such kind of makeup. These also enhance your overall look and will be so glamorous. And guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most. Otherwise, you can download the whole video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, hope you like the video. So if you like, kindly subscribe. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for such kind of stuff. Thank you.